guys, it's Jimmy the Egg, and today we got a new package. So I'm going to unbox this off camera and see what's inside. I will be right back. And it looks like inside we have the Hot Wheels Beat That Nitro Doorslammer. I'm going to unbox this and give a little insight on it. Looks pretty cool. And here is Nitro Doorslammer, all unboxed. There he is. And it is a very, very nice car. Its paint job is this shiny gold. I don't know if you can see the shine on camera, but it's very shiny. The back looks like it did in the game. It has these, I believe those are dual engines. Wheels have a nice red rim to them. Got some decals on the sides. Nitro Doorslammer, Hot Wheels. And then on the back, there's also this wheelie bar that is also in the game. So if you're playing the game, the car looks like this. And this wheelie bar helps it so it doesn't flip back. And so you can also put that back into place. That way you can ride it like this, or if you need the wheelie bar, you can ride it like this. So yeah, this Nitro Doorslammer, this is a very cool car in my opinion. And yeah, let me know what you think of this car in the comments. Bye.